I just received the color, this the mixture of green and blue, and let's just unbox it together. What do you think about that? So, unboxing process. Okay, this is a problem. So small, so small. Forest shade is forest blue. Let's just try this tiny half pen. What kind of color do we have? So this is forest blue, and the number is, let me show you, is 93943. Yeah, okay, good. Ta-da! So let me show you, and I will add the color. Wow, it looks wonderful. You see, it's a little bit muted, but yeah, truly it's a combination of blue and green color. I think this color is great for landscapes. So then this is the swatches that we had, and as you see, our tiny postage stamp is already fully dry. I am so happy that you spent time with me, and as you see, you might see, yeah, this color has very lovely blooms. See here. Okay, let's see each other in our next class, and I wish you a wonderful, wonderful art journey. Bye bye.